Welcome to the verdict of HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's just open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone theme. You can change it from default to dynamic or just to one from these available themes. So you can see here the ringtone, the message, the notification and alarm tones, and you can apply this theme. For example, also we can here switch the sound mode to vibration or to silent. By this way we can see when the sound mode is activated, ringtones, messages and notifications, they are ring, and when we activate the silent mode, they are muted. We can here also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can change here the ringtone, messages, notifications, alarm, music, video, games and calls volume just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side. That's white dots. Also we can switch here the default volume button control. We can use the media by press on the power key button or just the ringtones. Also we can switch here the ringtone, message and notification tones, and in more settings we can activate or turn off the startup sounds, the keypad tones, the screen lock and lock sounds, the screenshot, screen touches sounds and vibration when our device ringing. We can also activate, so use the system haptics here. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we can just use the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.